साथ में हम सिर्फ इतना ही कहता हूँ, हम साथ में लड़ेंगे। अगर जैसा पहले की लापरवाही जैसा हो गया तो हम आपका उम्मीद नहीं करेंगे, अपना वकील रहेंगे। ठीक है, हम लोग जो है सब साथ मिलकर लड़ेंगे, ये हम सब की लड़ाई है।
I would like to ask about question related to Jamia minority status. So what do you think Jamia administration likes behaving like say ढोलमुल रवैया?
क्या?
Like say slow motion action.
Sir, this is our president. He will
okay. No. You can say. You can.
English. What I want to tell.
As you know, I heard your speak very aggressive. Do you think Jamia administration slowing working on this?
Yeah, sure. Because the entire scenario comes to flow is only because of the irresponsibility from the part of administration.
Yeah.
This is the news.
Yes.
The news was already came before 6 months before that. The government is going to withdraw the minority status of Jamia Millia University. Why the government is going to move is they are stating that this is repugnant of law because they don't give any fund for the minority institution. It was established by the parliament. It was not established by the Muslim. So we can give any fund. If we give fund, then it is repugnant to law. That's why they are saying that the Jamia Millia Islamia is not eligible to keep the minority status. But you have to know that it was already established by the former leaders, our ancestors. And you know, at present in India, there is lot of minority institutions are still working. If the government is saying that if we are giving minority status to Jamia Millia Islamia, it is repugnant to law, then Campus Front of India wants to ask to the government that then you have also checked the every minority institution which is working all over the India. First I want to say, you know that. And when the drafting was going on in behalf of our constitution, already Baba Ambedkar says that in India the great diversity is going on. Great inequality is going on.
Do you think this time is the opposition of central government is a student or other political party?
Actually, why the government is doing that? The government want to evacuate the Muslim community from the education sector. They don't intend to empower the Muslim sector. That's why they are only targeting the Muslim community. So we want to say that we don't allow any person to touch this university. It was the tears of our ancestors. We will fight in legally, and we will fight outside to get back this university, and we will keep this university as the minority institution.
Yes, I ask you, do you think this time is the opposition playing a role as a student, but other political parties not like play opposition role? So do you think this time a student playing a role as a
other political organization is now at present in parliament? There is no any much more stronger opposition. This opposition was last year governing the India. At that time, they have lacked so much of governance. That's why they came as the opposition. So we don't think that the opposition can only oppose for these government moves. That's why we came to the streets to protest, to save our parts. That's all.
Okay, thank you for so much. Do you think this time in India, especially a student playing as a opposition, but other political parties not still play as a opposition role?
Firstly, be it any political organization, the most amount of resistance seen in the country today is by the student community. Be it JNU, be it AMU, be it Hyderabad City University, be it Jamia. All the resistance has been from the student community, let alone the political organizations. So, somewhere down the line, the government thinks that suppressing the students would be the solution to suppress all the resistance in the country. Now, when we see Jamia was established as a minority institution to uplift the Muslim community in the education sector. Now, by evading the minority status of Jamia, there is somewhere down the line, there is this notion that if we evade this minority status of Jamia, the Muslim community will be alienated from the mainstream educational sector of the country.
So, as you are a student of Jamia Millia, how How many types of you have concern about related to Jamia as you were hearing about some Jamia minor status is a danger zone. So what do you think what is your emotion related to Jamia?
Firstly, I as a student of Jamia Millia Islamia am very curious regarding this matter.
Yeah.
I see most of the students being unaware of the fact that the minority status of Jamia is under threat. The minority status guarantees as like the Muslims reservation in the education sector of Jamia, 50% reservation for the Muslims. The Muslims coming from the OBC section, the Muslim women and the backward classes. We can see many students from madrasa background in Jamia. Now if the minority status is revoked, there wouldn't be representation from the backward section of the Muslim society in the mainstream educational institutions. We don't want that to happen. This government has been constantly attacking the educational institutions in various manners, be it a minority or be it Dalit or any other issue.
Thank you so much. This is a student of Jamia Millia Islamia today protesting very huge way and demanding Jamia Millia Islamia administration to take this case very aggressively, very fastly way, and don't behave like Dhulmal Rawaiya.